Hello everyone, my name is Joy and you are welcome to my channel. Have you ever heard someone called a canary in a coal mine and wondered what on earth that means? Is it a compliment or an insult? In this video, we are breaking down this idiom. We will explore its origin, its precise modern meaning, and how you can use it to describe everything from tech trends to personal health. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be spotting canaries everywhere. A canary in a coal mine is an early warning sign of danger or trouble that may come in the future. It describes a person or thing that shows the first sign of a problem, allowing others to avoid the same danger. To understand this idiom, you need to know its origin. In the past, coal mines had dangerous invisible and odorless gases like carbon monoxide that could kill the miners. So miners would take a caged canary, which is a small bird, down into the mine with them. And canaries are much more sensitive to poisonous gases than humans are. If the canary suddenly stopped singing, became sick or died, the miners knew the air was toxic and they had to leave immediately to save their lives. The canary's suffering was an early signal that saved the miners' lives. We use this idiom to talk about anything like a person, a group, a company, or even an event that serves as an early indicator of a larger problem. Let me illustrate further with a story that shows this idiom in use. Chloe was the brightest student in Miss Anya's advanced maths class. She always turned in flawless homework and aced every quiz. She was, in short, a perfect student. So when Chloe suddenly failed the mid-semester algebra exam, scoring a surprisingly low 45%, Miss Anya felt a knot of worry. Chloe had missed 2 days of school that week too, which was completely out of character. Miss Anya sighed, thinking it might just be a rough week for Chloe. But then the next week, 3 other top students, Ben, Julia and David, started struggling. Ben was nodding off in class, Julia missed a major project deadline, and David, usually so cheerful, looked stressed and withdrawn. They all failed the same subsequent geometry quiz. "Wait a minute," Miss Anya murmured to the principal. Chloe wasn't just having a bad day. Her low score and sudden truancy were a canary in a coal mine. "What do you mean?" the principal asked. "It means Chloe's unusual failure was an early warning sign that something was wrong with the whole group, or maybe even the whole school environment," Miss Anya explained. She was the first to show the negative effects, like the little bird used to detect poisonous gas. Chloe was the first sign of a problem we couldn't yet see. They investigated and discovered that a new intense after-school tutoring program meant to help other students was putting enormous pressure on the high achievers like Chloe. The program made them feel they had to be perfect all the time, leading to exhaustion and stress. Because they paid attention to Chloe, the canary in the coal mine, Miss Anya and the principal were able to identify the problem early and adjust the program before it caused burnout in all their best students. Sentence examples. The company's late salary payments were a canary in a coal mine for financial trouble. My constant headaches were a canary in a coal mine for the high levels of stress I was under. The politician's loss in the first election was a canary in a coal mine for his party's future. Watch the stock market closely. Any sudden fall could be a canary in a coal mine for a big financial crisis.